I'm not looking for a Jezebel, using tricky to deceive me with the poison of her spell. I'm looking for a queen, one who's seek to speak life into me. A kingdom divided will fall, yeah. Check the history books, yet what seems to be the only route took. As a kid I was called Bam Bam. Since I can remember, mom told me be a man. Guess Bam makes sense, I'm old school. A man don't work, don't eat, I overwork. Cause I believe in eating a lot, not just the physical. I take time and feed the mental and spiritual. Witness my eldest brother shot in the head, left for dead, but the man upstairs had different plans. I was fighting for achievements, he was fighting for life. Placed a pause on my dreams to assist with his. Now I'm ready to reactivate the fight.